goods back from Salem Powder Coating. So we'll do a little unbox here. This is how, I haven't taken them out of the box yet, this is how they come back. So, valve covers and intake. Let's break these open. Nicely done. Scott Fink and all the boys, Salem Powder Coat. Oh yeah. So here's what you get back. Pretty much looks like it's been dipped. They blast everything. He was able to get the silver, so it matches the intake on the lettering here. They mask off all the threads. You never have any issues with anything that's threaded. Not sure that's the case all the time with every powder coater, but that's what you get from Salem Powder Coating. Let's save that one, it's gonna look the same. So this is the treatment. Kind of get addicted to this stuff. If you're a hot rodder, you do this stuff for a while and you like things nice and clean, yeah, that's how it comes back. Very nice. And it'll look this way 5 years from now, 10 years from now. They put color on it. Well, they can do whatever color you want. They also put clear on it. And so I like this stuff glossy, so he puts clear on it for me. Again, all the threads, everything's ready to assemble. Looks really good. So thank you, Scott Fink and the boys at Salem Powder Coat. We'll get this stuff bolted on and get some more video. All right, one more unbox video. Got the new front wheels for this thing. Bought these through Larry Hodge Racing. He's out of Illinois. Talked to a couple people. The back wheels on this thing are welds and they're discontinued. And so I wanted something that kind of matched. So these came close. Matt Keelman was one of the guys who kind of gave me a recommendation, sent me to Larry Hodge Racing, and ordered the wheels a while back. Also got the front tires, some Hoosiers front runners on this. These things look really nice. I did take a quick look. He's got the part number and everything. Looks like they're 750-150-41747. Drag Series Light Polished. And they're 15 by 4 inch. So pop these out of the box. Packaging's really nice. Got the valve stems with them. Those look like stainless valve stems. Nice packaging. They set it up for the wheel lip so everything comes undamaged. And here's the goods. So kind of a 5-spoke style, multi-piece wheel. The gold bolts and all that match the back, so it's going to come close. They're very light. They're definitely racing wheels. So yeah, we'll get these on the front and obviously get another video and do a walk around and kind of show you what the upgrades look like on the car. Get everything bolted on this weekend and put up a video for that. So later on.